Hello,
Hello, sir.
how are you, Kishore?
Fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Okay, so today we do only 20 or 25-minute class because today Abhishek is not able to attend the class. Okay, because in Bangalore very heavy rain. So today we what we do in last class?
OSPF, sir.
You know, OSPF. What we do?
Yes, sir. Last class we doing OSPF practical, sir. OSPF and
Uh, how
age
much we do practical? How many practical we done?
complete, sir. Two practicals, sir.
Two practicals.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So state is complete. OSPF state is complete. Bhuvan.
Yes, Ankit. It's
Yeah.
completed.
Okay. So now LSA and one DRBDR practical today we do. Okay. After that we start from tomorrow because Abhishek is not present today. Okay. So types of LSA in OSPF. We have five types of LSA in OSPF. Okay. So LSA one is router LSA. Each router
Ankit,
generates.
allow to record the session. Okay.
A router LSA, each router generates type 1 LSA that lists its active interface, IP addresses, neighbor, and the cost. LSA type 1 is flooded within area. Okay, and one more thing I want to ask you. Shall we do this class 12 to 2 p.m.?
12 to 2 p.m.
Yes. If we take 2 hour classes, then it's good for us. You want?
No, actually, I can't.
Okay, that's no problem, bro. No problem. That's okay. Okay, and type 2 LSA is network LSA. Type 2 LSA is sent out by the designated. Type 2 LSA only generate the DR, designated router, and list all the router on the segment it adjacent to. Type 2 LSA are flooded within area. This is important. Type 1 and type 2 LSA flooded only within area. Okay. Now network LSA, network type 3 LSA. Okay. Sorry. Network LSA is type 2 LSA. And summary LSA is our type 3 LSA. Type 3 LSA generated by the ABR to advertise the network from one area to another area. Here is area border router. Okay, so here is our area. I can edit after the classes. Okay, and now next LSA is summary ASBR LSA. Okay, type 4 LSA are generated by the area, but it contains the information to reach the ASBR. Okay, now next and last LSA is external LSA, and this is type 5 LSA. External LSA is generated by the ASBR and contain route to network that are external to the current autonomous system. It is used to communicate between the different AS number. Okay, so last topic in OSPF is types of OSPF and DR and BDR, and the practical of the ASBR we do tomorrow. Okay, because this is redistribution topic. It means when we communicate between the different protocols. So we have three types of network in OSPF: point to point stub and the broadcast. Broadcast mainly when we configure the router OSPF process ID. That time by default our broadcast network is configured. Okay, so the broadcast type is default for an OSPF enabled on the interface, Ethernet interface. So challenges with the broadcast network, number of neighbors is more than 2 or 4 all the times, and database exchanges. So how to solve the broadcast network challenges? By using DR and BDR on the broadcast network. DR OSPF select one router per network as DR and second one is BDR. When DR goes down, BDR is take the place of the DR. And DR other means all the remaining router in network as known as other routers. So how to elect the DR and BDR? Firstly, we go for the highest priority. Okay, firstly we check the priority. By default, priority of OSPF router is 1. Range of priority is 0 to 255. Note, if priority is configured 0 of Ethernet interface, the router does not participate in DR and BDR election. If any router priority is 0, then this router is not participate in the DR and BDR election. And if priority is same, because by default priority is 1, so if every router has priority same of 1, then next election criteria goes on the highest router ID. Okay, so let's see how it done. If we have 4 routers, in this network, dash 2 more, here is also This is all router. Now I take switches. Okay. If this is our network, this one is 10 network. Now we take one more network, 20 network. If there is one more network. Okay, if there is a network of 10.0.0.0 and here is 20.0.0.0, network of 30 and this one is 40. So firstly election criteria is goes. Okay, after the election, firstly I can router 1, router 2, or only we write the R, recognize this is router. This one is switch. This one is also router. Router. Switch. Okay. So after the election, in this network, one router is elect as the DR and one as the BDR. Firstly, election criteria is good. After that, it elect. Okay, only I can see here. And other two routers become DR other. This one is also DR other. Suppose that this one is DR, VDR, DR other, DR other. This one is BDR and this one is DR. This one is BDR. This one is DR. So like this, we make a broadcast topology. Okay, okay, Bhuvan.
Yes, Ankit. Okay.
Okay, now let's see the practical of this one.
Ah,
We have four router in OSPF network and connected all the by the switches. Ten 001. 10.0.0.2. No, sir. Done? No, sir. Done. Now we configure the IP addresses. Let's go on the configure the OSPF router. OSPF process ID is 1, network is 10.0.0.255.0.0.0, area is 0. Router network is 10.0.0.0, area is 0. Same configuration on all the routers. Router is PF1, network is 10.0.0.0, where area is 0. Okay, now let's see which one is become our DR and BDR, because in this topology we have one router as a DR and one is become BDR and all other two routers become DR other. Show IP OSPF database. Show IP OSPF network. See here, DR other DR. Okay, now 10.0.0.3 is become our BDR. What is the election criteria for the DR and BDR? Firstly, we check the highest priority. By default, all the priority is same by 1. Then highest router ID. And how we elect the router ID? Firstly, if we want to configure the manually, then it's okay. If we are not configure the manually, it goes on the next election criteria on the highest loopback interface IP. If we don't have any loopback, then highest physical interface IP. So let's check router 3 interface IP is 10.0.0.4 and router 2 interface IP is 10.0.0.3. So 10.0.0.3 is become our BDR and 1 and 2 is become DR other. Now check on another router, you got 10.0.0.4 as a DR. So IP OSPF label. Now see 10.0.0.4 is our DR and 10.0.0.3 is our BDR. Okay, Bhuva?
Okay.
This is all about the OSPF. Tomorrow we will do redistribution. Okay, bro?
Okay.
So we start from tomorrow because Abhishek is not present and he's calling me regarding this. That's why.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.